So we had a little project to do and we had to make some
snails
and a bumblebee. So if you need to make one of these for your school,
you just
to
have
help your child to do one of these. So what we did is, first of all, for the bumblebee, we made a pom-pom. And then we got some cling film and put some paint, didn't we? Some yellow paint. And then we rolled
it to dry, and then we put some black paint on it.
Yeah, we put some lines on there, some lines. So then when it was dry, we put 3 elastic bands on. 1, 2 and 3 on the bottom. And then underneath, we've got some straws. So we've got a straw under that band, a straw under that band and a straw under that band. And then another straw for the little antennae. And then these little bits at the top, those are cotton buds.
I dipped it in the paint and then we waited them to dry.
Yes, we did. And then the little face, we drew that on and then stuck that on with a bit of glue on the glue with a glue gun. And then the wings.
Yeah.
The wings
were cut out in an egg.
Yes. The plastic that you get with the Easter eggs. What we did is we got that. Shall I go get it now and show?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just 1 minute. So this is what we cut out. I just did a little shape on the top, shape of a wing, like that, and then cut it out, and that gave that lovely round shape there.
And then we painted it.
And then you painted it, didn't you?
Yeah.
And then I think that's everything for that, isn't it?
And you drawed.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I did that, so I cut out. That was permanent marker. So, Bumblebee.
And this is a snail, and we rolled some tissue paper up, and then we put some eyes on with
little pearls, weren't they?
With little pearls. And we put some lipstick on it from paint. And we put the glue gun on it.
Yes, we did. And those are cotton buds again.
Buds.
So what we did is we got some
thingies.
So first of all, I got some cloth, rolled it up really tight, and got the glue gun. Put a line of glue down and rolled it up, but just left the end on it.
Yes.
Put a little bit of glue on the end.
Yes.
And squidged his face together.
Yes, we have to.
Yeah. So then
we
painted it, stuck the cotton bud on with the glue gun, and then with his eyes put 2 little blobs of glue with the glue gun on. So these are going to school tomorrow.
And we drew the face and we cut the face out, and then we sticked it on with the glue gun.
Oh, and then we've got some grass as well and a flower.
Yeah, and we stick the grass on with paper and we sticked it on with glue.
You did that with Pritt Stick, didn't you?
Yeah, with Pritt Stick. And then we sticked the flower on with glue.
Yes. So how much did you enjoy doing it?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 1000. 100 out of 10. So the bumblebee goes on there, and then the snail goes there. Oh, have you seen his lips? Yeah, we painted his lips red, but now it looks as though he's got lipstick on. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it made you smile. So hopefully we'll share a bit of happiness at school tomorrow. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Thumbs up.
Brilliant.
They're both standing
Oh
on.
dear.